So right now I'm in the process of unboxing this. This is going to be the Koshi carbon fiber front V grill. And this is also Koshi. So, alright guys, welcome back. So it's kind of like nighttime already, but we got some carbon fiber goodies in here. This is the set that you get from Koshi. It's through Madness Auto Works, so let's see if I can show that out to the camera there real quick. But some nice carbon there. We're going to be installing this as well as a couple other carbon fiber items on the car. I think this is what I'm most excited about here. So, if I could show you. So you guys will see right there, this is going to be part of what it looks like to have like a genuine Koshi product. And just looking at this is just way better carbon. Okay, so just on the basis that there's plenty of videos out there, and I've done this before. What I'm going to do is get some JB Weld plastic bonder, and I'm going to go ahead and paint that area with it, as well as the bottom part of that, so that I can get everything fixed on there with this brush. Not really going to show it because it's kind of self-explanatory, and then you put it on, let it dry, and you should be good. So you guys can see that there. Next is going to be applying this. Okay guys, so I've got a dog barking behind me, but as you guys can see, you just want to get some masking tape and help aid it in that process, because it's going to be pretty close, you know what I mean? You've got to really, I mean, at that point in time, it's already pretty dang close, even up there at the top. So take a moment there just to look at this carbon. I'm gonna run down the side. Sure does look nice. And looks like for this next project, we've got the Q4 in the narrow. We've also got another Koshi piece here for the steering wheel. I'm not sure yet exactly what I'm going to do. Have the spark plugs and some ceramic coat going, so here we go.